Oh my god. Oh no! I either put my all into this or I pack it away and deal with it next spring. Awful. Absolutely awful. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have come into my folding caravan today. I bought this caravan last year and renovated it, made it look absolutely lovely, and today I have made the worst mistake. I feel like I can't finish right now. I'm going to show you. So the last thing I had to renovate on this caravan was the floor. So this is the original flooring. Obviously it didn't quite match my decor. I wanted the caravan painted and some nice silver. The seats here usually have covers on them, so they're not usually this colour, they're a grey. So I thought it would be nice to put some flooring in and make the caravan look a lot brighter, a bit more modern. It was my first time laying flooring. I think I did an okay job, but I used some horrible sticky glue adhesive, and now I want to rip this flooring up because it's just gotten all stained and absolutely horrible. I literally cannot stand it. I want to put a nice piece of lino or carpet down. So it's really hard to get up. I've been using this silly little tool. I've been using lots of tools actually, but this one just seems to be the best one so far to try and get up. But it's a really hard job. It is so sticky on the floor that it's actually taken up a lot of my time and a lot longer than I originally thought it was. I don't even know where this came from. So yeah, and now the floor is so sticky. I'm literally sticking to everything. Yeah, that's the current situation on the folding camper. Everywhere I walk, now I've decided to kind of start in a corner so that I'm not sticking to the floor. But yeah, I really want to get the floor finished for the autumn so I can perhaps get one more little outing out of this folding camper. But it's a state, look at it right now. Actually sticking to the blooming floor, it's disgusting. Oh. Oh, that's what I don't want to do. These horrible bits. They're really stressing me out. Sticky. And you're probably asking yourself, why am I even bothering to take this stick-on flooring up? Why don't I just put a rug or a carpet over it? But actually, in the summer where the kids have been in and out and we've been cooking and stuff, I just feel like it's just too messy. It's too messy, too stained. I don't know, I doubt there's anything underneath, but I just don't feel comfortable with putting a plaster over it, if you see what I mean. I need it just to be nice, comfy, clean with a new piece of carpet. Oh, these horrible little bits are going to take me forever, aren't they? Right, so we've made a little bit of progress, not with the floor, but we're thinking about the floor. So I reached out to some mates. Somebody said to me to use WD-40 to get the stickiness off of the floor, so let's give that a go. But also I just popped down to the local hardware shop. And because I couldn't find an off-gutter of carpet and I couldn't find anything else that I want to go down on the floor, I bought some, what's it called? Underlay. I bought some underlay. I've got a huge pack and I actually need underlay for a project I've got going on in the playhouse. So this pack was £25. I'm going to lay the underlay in here. I should have done that in the first place. Why did I not use underlay to protect the original flooring in the first place? So that was a real rookie error that I made there. But you know, this is what renovating my first caravan is all about. I've got to learn from my mistakes, and I've got to learn, yeah, that things are going to go wrong, and I'll know now for next time. And also this is like nice, warm and quite thick, so I can just put nice rugs over it and kind of change up my decor and interior like every now and again, or every now and then. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this. So I'm going to make sure I cut it the correct size, slide it in, lay it down. Happy. Oh, let's see if this WD-40 works then. Oh, there we go. Right, this bit, as you can see, I mean, you can just hear how sticky that is. Right, let's give it a spray. What do you reckon I do? Do you reckon like I leave it there for a bit? Or, oh my god. Oh my god. I mean, I don't think oh my god. Don't think it removes the actual glue marks, but it stopped it from being sticky. So what now? Just spray like the whole floor, let the caravan air. Spray a bit of cloth with it on. Love it. Okay, you hear me sticking. Oh, stick. Perfect. Happy now. Really happy now. It's here, guys. I'm messy and ruthless like that. And I don't think about consequences, clearly. Whee! There you go. Another one bites the dust. Oh, God. Frightened the life out of me then. That was my blooming caravan door. Oh, hope that hasn't damaged it. That really slammed. I'm happy. Look at the difference. So the WD-40 clearly worked. Not only did it get rid of the stickiness, it actually helped me to get rid of the additional bits and pieces that were left behind. Let's go and have a little look. You can see the difference in the before and after, but also, how good is this? Since I've put the WD-40 down and kind of let it soak in a bit, look, the glue, look at this, the glue's gone like, it's just going to peel off now. I've got a piece out, and I actually really like that colour. It goes with the storage, the bottom of the seats. I painted these, and I kind of like I took all these rails off, resprayed them, gave them new screws and stuff. Okay, so different day. I'm going to do a little bit of measuring up. I've got a spare kind of, well, probably 10-15 minutes today, so I'm going to try and get maybe 2 or 3 of these laid. Oh my god, I'm so cat-handed with this. Measure it up. I've got to cut it to size. I'm going to need a ruler. I'm going to need my knife and a ruler. Oh my god. Oh no! Oh, I'm so bloody clumsy. Oh, I've literally broken it off just where I need it, so that was a lucky save. So easy to cut. Literally, there's some days I shouldn't even be let out the house. I've only got a lent on that with my big old heavy knee. It's done, so I can get this caravan packed up away for the winter. Delay. Actually guys, although this stuff seems really thin and snaps easily, it's actually really warm. And I should use, like, is that the way we do it? I mean, there's not really anything to push it under with, so yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm happy, it's fine. There we go. Okay. Take another piece. Oh. Let's go. Oh, let's take our tape measure. I think that's just a shade short of what I need. Okay, anyway. Alright, let's give this a go, shall we? Ignore that little bit over there. Yeah, it's alright. And something sticky. Oh, I'm on the sticky bit that I didn't do yet. Why am I laying that floor and I've not even finished this bit? Up, like, I either put my all into this right now, make time in evenings or early in the mornings before the kids are up, or I pack it away and deal with it next spring. Right guys, I'm going to take you back in the van. Something happened to my memory card and the whole camera just refused to film anything, so I just wanted to show you where I've laid down the what do you call it again? Underlay. Where I've laid down the underlay. I'm really pleased with it. Like, just look at the way I've cut it. I think I managed to get most of that on video. I'm not sure what's going on with that piece up there. I might change it. That was my first piece and that just went a little bit wrong, so I feel like I should change it, and I wasn't sure whether to put another layer or not, but I've ordered a lovely rug and it feels so much warmer and cozier in here. So there you go. So just one more last time before I put all this away. It's called Premium Underlay and we got it from B&Q. I think there's about 25 boards in there. Oh no, there's 19 boards in there, sorry. Okay. Guys, it came. The rug finally arrived from Amazon. I had to lay it out because when it arrived it was rolled up. I'm not keen on the colours, I've got to say, but I think once it's in the van against the green worktops and stuff, I will be more keen. So should we go and put it in and see if it fits? I'm going to be gutted if it doesn't. Oh, I'm a bit excited. Doesn't quite fit snug, but I feel like it'll do. I feel like it'll do. Actually, it's not bad. I like it. I like it. Not bad. Oh, I've just come in here to check out the rug. And I've got to say, it feels really cosy in here. It feels really cosy with the insulation underneath. It does feel really warm. Taking my slippers off. Yeah, it's really nice. And I'm just going to put my seat covers on. They're a little bit dented where I've been leaning stuff on them. And this is what I use. They are double teddy fleece sheets. Basically they come in their own little bag. They're by Silent Night, and I got them in Tesco's when they were on sale last year. So I'm going to show you how I put them on my seats. So basically this is what we've got. I've tucked it all in, and then I've gotten all my lovely cushions out. Grey. I've got these are from IKEA. Again, they're green to go with the carpet. I usually just kind of throw that over there so it's nice and cosy. And yeah, got a really nice space. I'm just going to show you that properly. Perfect. Tidy up a little bit. But that looks so much better. Or you could even have the blanket. I love these little blankets because they're scalloped from IKEA. They're so cute. You can have it over the teddy fleece. Not sure what the light's doing, but basically before, after. Love it. So guys, we're coming to Caravan, taking our shoes off for our new rug, haven't we? And basically, yeah, so what I'm going to do is just throw everything in a bag. I haven't got that much in here, but I'm going to take all the crockery and stuff in, because I think I'm going to fold it down for the winter now. I'm not sure we'll use it this October half term.